Sir, in the last video, I covered up to LBP number 45. That is perfect number or not. Sir, we covered in the last video. Sir, in today's session, I want to continue from that. So let me take the next challenge. What we have here is, sir, LBP number 46. Okay. Sir, observe carefully. What is this program? Sir, magic date. Magic date. Sir, if you see the problem statement clearly, then you are going to get the clarity. So what is that a problem statement is, sir, the program to read date, month and year from the user. So we have to read date value, month value and year value from the user and check whether it is a magic date or not. So we have to decide whether it is magic date or not. If it is a magic date, we have to return true. If it is not magic date, we have to return false. Sir, how you can able to check whether it is magic date or not? Sir, we have some rules are there. So what is the first rule? Sir, if you multiply the value of month and then date, not year, sir, we are multiplying the month value and date value. Okay, if you are getting the result as a single digit number and that number is equal to the last digit in the year, then it is the magic date. Suppose if you are multiplying month and then date, if you are getting a 2-digit number and it is matched with the last 2 digits in the year, then also it is magic date. Sir, if you multiply month and date, if you are getting a 3-digit number which is matching with the last 3 digit in the year, then also it is magic date. Like this, we have to satisfy these 3 constraints. Then that date is said to be magic date, sir. First, we will see what are all the test cases that they have given, because from that we will get the clarity. Okay, let me open that LBP number 46, sir. So let me open. So 46 what we have. Yes. Sir, have you observed 1 1 2001? By multiplying 1 and then 1, the result is 1, which is ending or not? Yes. So true is the answer. If you take 5 and then 2 2010, if you multiply 5 and 2, we are getting 10. Is it last 2 digits or not? Yes. Sir, if you take 5 1 2010, sir, by multiplying date and month, 5 into 1 5, is it ending with 5, sir? No. So it is false. Sir, I hope the logic is very clear for you people. So how to provide implementation we will see. Could you please confirm, is the logic of this program, is it clear for you people? Please confirm, sir. Yes, sir. Very good. Very good. Sir, let me provide implementation. Sir, you can able to understand how I implemented this particular problem statement. So listen carefully, sir, how I am going to provide implementation. Okay, sir, 1 minute, please wait. Yeah, sir, let me solve the solution. Sir, in C language, I am implementing the program. Let us see how I am taking here. Sir, integer, okay, sir, date, month, year, like this I am taking. Of course, single variable is also sufficient. Sir, scanf, I am reading the date in this format. percentage d hyphen percentage d hyphen percentage d. Yes, we can read like this also. Sir, ampersand d ampersand m ampersand year. Sir, I accepted date, month, and then year. So what is our requirement? Sir, we have to print true or false. So I will write some if condition. If this condition satisfied, sir, I will print true. If the condition is not satisfied, I want to print the message called false. What is that condition? Array, I am checking d into m, d into m, date into month. If it is equal to, sir, year percentage 10, last digit or not, or if d into m, okay, sir, percentage, sorry, d into m is double equal to y percentage 100, last two digits, or d into m is double equal to y percentage 1000, last three digits are not, I am going to verify. If it is true, I mean, if any one of the condition is satisfied, it will return true. Otherwise, it is going to return false. Let me check. Sir, three cases are satisfied and submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can see all the remaining test cases are satisfied or not, sir. Yes, it is satisfied. This is nothing but C language implementation for the problem what we have. Now I need to go for Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Sir, very simple. Let me take the same implementation. I am choosing Java. So in Java, what is the first step? Scanner obj is equal to new scanner I am taking. Okay, new scanner of system.in. Sir, do you know I am taking like this? So string array I am taking. String array s is equal to, sir, obj dot next line I am reading the string dot split based on hyphen. Sir, based on hyphen I am splitting the data. For example, sir, if you take this test case 5/1/2010, so array will be having the first element as a 5, second element as a 10, third element as a 2010. What is your requirement now? You have to multiply this 5 and 1, but unfortunately 5 and 1 are in which format? String format. Sir, you have to convert it into integer. Listen carefully, sir. Sir, integer dot parse int of, so I am taking first value s of 0. Okay, sir, into again integer dot, sir, parse int of, what is the second value? S of 1. Okay, I multiplied two values. Sir, whatever result you are getting, okay, whatever result you are getting, sir, I am converting into string. Integer dot to string. Sir, I am converting the entire result into string, sir. So now I got a string format. So what is the third variable? S of 1, sorry, 0 represent first element, 1 represent second element, 2 represent third element. Sir, S of 2 dot, there is one special method is there with name ends with. It is there in Java, sir, ends with. So whether, sir, first string ends with the second string or not, it will check and it will return true if it is ending with second string. Otherwise, it is going to return false. Sir, how beautifully we implemented, right? Let me check whether it is working or not. Perfect, sir. Let us submit the code. Array, Sar is having the code in the paper. So that's why Sar is seeing the code and he is typing, the code got executed. No, sir, I am not at all typing by seeing the paper. I don't have any paper. I don't have even mobile also. Sir, just I kept my mobile charging. Okay, and no material is there with me. Even all the lights in my room are switched off. Only study lamp I am taking and I am typing the program. That study lamp is also for keyboard activation. That's all. Okay, sir, how you remembered this? Sir, nothing is there here. So what is the first activity? I splitted the entire string into based on hyphen so that I got array of elements. All these elements are available in S. Three elements, S of 0, S of 1, S of 2. You have to multiply these two. But if you want to multiply, is it possible to multiply strings? No. That's why integer dot parseInt function will convert those two integers into those strings into integer and we are multiplying so that we are getting one value. But that is integer, but 2010 is a string. Again we have to reconvert it into string. Sir, I converted. Now is the year value is ending with sir this value or not, I have to check. Because we have ends with function is there, automatically it will check. Okay, this is nothing but how you can implement in sir Java. Let me go for Python. Okay, I want to go for Python implementation. Sir, this much risk won't be there in Python because approach is the same, but some predefined tools are available. Using that, happily we can implement. Observe how I am going to take. Sir, s is equal to, okay, or l is equal to. So how I am going to split? Sir, do you know? Okay, let it be. Sir, I for each I in input dot split off based on hyphen I am splitting. So we will get the elements. Which elements will be available? L of 0. Sir, then L of 1. Like this we will have. Sir, L of 0 is what type? Integer, sorry, string type. I converted to int into, sir, integer of I am converting L of 1 also. So that we got multiplication. Sir, that entire result again I am converting into string. So what will happen? Same methodology. Now, sir, L of 2 dot ends with, okay, L of 2 dot ends with same function is available. L of 2 dot ends with like this I am checking. Sir, really if it is ending it will return true, sir. Otherwise it will return false. Let me run the code. Sir, expected answer is true. Your output is also true, but T small letter expecting. That's why better to convert this entire string, the entire result into string. That is Boolean value also I converted into string. Sir, dot lower function. What will happen? That result also is converted into string and the total thing is converted into lower case. Let me submit the code. Sir, you can able to see all the test cases will be passed. Perfect, sir. This is nothing but how you can implement in Python. Sir, I request everyone, I hope with this problem, sir, you are going to get some knowledge, sir, right? Could you please confirm any doubts in this, sir? Someone is asking, sir, array elements in Java are separated by hyphen or comma. Okay, what is my answer? Separated by space, madam. Okay, so it is a separated by space, madam, Priyanka madam. Okay, it is separated by space. So that's why, so have you observed, we are not giving any argument for split in Python. Python by default space, but in Java default is not there. We have to supply space also. So I hope you can see in the previous program somewhere I covered. One array program is there, right? Where is that? Yeah, you can see by default it is a space. But here I didn't accepted the data in the form of string. That's why. Okay, no issues. Okay. Sir, let me go for next problem. What is this problem? Oddish or evanish? Okay, oddish or evanish. Let me solve this. What is this problem, sir? So we have to create a function that determines whether a number is oddish or evanish. Okay, sir, a number is oddish if sum of all its digits is odd. Oh, you have to calculate sum of all the digits, and if it is odd, then we have to print oddish. And the number is evenish if sum of all its digits is even. Okay, sir, if number is oddish, return oddish, otherwise return evenish. Sir, nothing is there. We have to calculate sum of digits and divide with 2. If it is giving remainder as a 0, then print evenish. Okay, sir, else we have to print oddish. Beyond that, nothing is there. Sir, slowly the complexity of the program is going to increase, and even I hope the understanding capability also increased for you people. I think so. Sir, every program we can able to solve, but the logic which is hidden in that program, you need to capture that hook point. That hook point is we have to capture. Once if it is captured, then implementing the program will become very easy. Sir, clear friends up to this? Is the logic is clear? Please confirm so that I will go with the implementation. Please confirm so that I will go with the implementation. Okay. Yes, sir. Very good. Very good. Now, let me go for C language implementation for this problem. I think that much struggle won't be there here. Shalendra. Shalindra, we are ready to implement. Very good. Very good. Yeah. 47. Yes. Let me go for implementation. So you know the operation, right? We have to calculate sum of digits. So other than that, nothing. We know that program very well. Sir, n we have to take. Assume sum is equal to 0. Digit is required. Sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. So what is your requirement? While the value of n is not equal to 0, digit is equal to n percentage 10. Sir, next and after that, the sum of digits, right? Sum is equal to sum plus d, n is equal to n by 10. Finally, sir, printf, I am checking one condition. If that condition is true, sir, I will print evanish. Okay. Else, I want to print oddish. So what is that condition, sir? Sum is divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. Let me run the code. Definitely it should work, sir. Yes, and submit the code for final approval. So this is nothing but the code what we have. Sir, I need to implement this program by using Java. Let me go for Java implementation, what we have. Okay. So how you can able to take Java implementation? Scanner obj is equal to, sir, new scanner of I'm taking system.in. Okay. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, I captured sum is equal to 0. So while n is not equal to 0, sir, slowly I am trying to reduce the variables. Sum is equal to some place. In the place of d, I am taking n percentage 10. Yes, you can take like this. N is equal to n by 10. System dot out dot println of if s percentage 2 is equal to 0, then we have to print evanish. Else we have to print oddish. That's all. Let me run the code. Yes, and submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have and how you can able to implement in Java. Okay. Now I want to go for Python implementation. Okay. I want to go for Python implementation. I think single line code you can take in Python, right? So what they are expecting, sum of digits. Sir, first I will take a list int of I. So for each I in input, for each I in input, that's all. Sir, I am accepting the data in the form of string and I am performing conversion to integer. So now we have to calculate sum of this value. And if this sum is divisible by 2 means, if it is returning true, then sir, print evanish. Print evanish if sum of these things divisible by 2. Else we have to print oddish. That's all. Nothing is there more than that. And submit the code. Yes. Sir, all the test cases are clear. Any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts in these challenges, sir? Please confirm. Very good, sir. Thank you. Let me go for the next problem, sir. Sir, what are the problem is LBP number 48. So accept video length in minutes. Sir, we have to accept video length in minutes. The format is mm:ss in string format. Sir, we have to create a function that takes video length and returns in the seconds. For example, if the input is 0100, sir, how many seconds we are going to get? 1 minute means 60 seconds. Suppose if it is a 2:05, sir, 2 means what? 60 into 60. So 60 plus 60, sir, 120 seconds plus 5, 125 seconds. Sir, like this we have to print how many seconds are there, that video length. Okay, sir, hope the logic is clear, but how to implement is very difficult task, sir. Sir, slowly you can get it how I am going to do. Sir, in Java and Python it is very easy, because just now we have seen, sir, I have a tool is there. If I want to convert anything to integer, integer to anything, even in Java also, sir, integer, sorry, string to integer, integer to string, how you can convert, we know that tools we can use. But in C language it is very difficult, sir. Please confirm if the logic is clear, we will go for implementation. Sir, is the concept is clear for you people? Please confirm, sir. Very good, sir. Now let me go for implementation. Sir, how you can able to provide implementation in C language? Sir, so many questions you are going to get. Sir, you have to answer to those questions, sir. Then only I can able to solve this problem, because I don't know something, you have to tell. Sir, my first question is, okay, sir, I'm going to use one special function which is called as convert. So which will take a character as an argument. Okay, then it converts to integer. It is going to return integer value. Sir, my doubt is, what is the ASCII value of a small a? Could you please confirm? What is the ASCII value for small a? Please respond. Very good, 97. Sir, what is the ASCII value for capital A? Very good, 65. Sir, now my question is, what is the ASCII value for 0? Anyone? What is the ASCII value for 0? Anyone? Yeah, try to search in the net. Hey, Rakesh, very good, excellent man. So the result is nothing but 48. Sir, the ASCII value of 0 is nothing but 48, sir. So that means, sir, the numbers are like this: 48, 49, sir, 50, and so on. Like this will be there. Sir, 48 represent the number called 0. Have you observed? Sir, I want to convert the given character into integer format. Sir, very simple. I will use that s minus 48. So it will return exactly what is that value. S is what? Suppose if I am passing, sir, s value as something like 0 to 2 I am passing. 2 is a character only. But what is its ASCII value? Sir, 50. 50 minus 48, sir, 2. That 2 value I am returning as a character. So it will be converted into integer. This is nothing but the convert function, which is converting the given character into ASCII values. Sir, if it is a clear, rest of the implementation is very easy, sir. Please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Clear, right? Very good. Sir, now our main cinema is going to be started. Sir, character S of 100 I am taking. Listen carefully, sir. So I want to read the data in the form of string, percentage S comma S. Now, very, very important point is, if S of 0 is equal to, sir, 0 character if you are getting, that means what, sir? So that means what, sir? In the input, first digit is 0. Sir, there may be a chance of like this also. Sir, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 second. Like this also a video will be there. Okay. Sir, 20 minutes means what will happen? Sir, we have to convert it into seconds. Sir, 20 into 60. Sir, 1200 seconds plus 1. Sir, 1201 seconds. We are going to get 1201 seconds. So, in this, first digit may be 0 or first digit may contain some other number. That's why, sir, I am going to take the condition. What is that condition? Sir, if first digit is 0, what you have to do? Else, what you have to do? Then, sir, if a second digit, okay, sir, S of 0 is completed because the input is in this format. Sir, 10 colon 85, or sorry, 10 colon 15 like this. Sir, this is 0th location, this is first location, this is second location, third location, and fourth location. Sir, 0th location is 0 means one logic. If it is not 0 means another logic. Sir, this part completed. We need to evaluate this one also. Sir, what is the index value here? 3. That means, sir, again we have to write if S of 3 is equal to 0. Okay, some logic. Else, sir, another logic. Else, another logic. Sir, if S of 0 is equal to 0, then what is the meaning? Sir, we need to take the number n is equal to, okay, or n1 is equal to. Sir, we need to multiply these two. If it is equal to 0, sir, we have to skip this 0th location. I will write the locations here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, we have to skip this 0th location. We have to consider only this one. So n1 is equal to, sir, please convert of S of 1, not S of 0. Or, sir, n1 is equal to. Suppose if you have this digit, sir, what we have to take? 20 means how you can able to represent. Or if you are having 22, then result will become like this. Sir, 22, how you can write? 20 into, sorry, sir, 2 into 10 plus 2. Can I write like this? Sir, this 2 and then into 10 and then this 2 I am taking. Sir, let us see here. N1 is equal to, sir, I am taking convert of S of 0, S of 0, then after that into 10, sir, plus convert of S of 1. That's all. Simple logic. Sir, next, okay, I got this value, I stored in n1. What about this? Same logic, right? If s3 is equal to 0, n2 will become, sir, convert of S of 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth location. Else, if S of 3 is not equal to 0, N2 is equal to, sir, what formula? Convert of S of 3, S of 3 into 10 plus, sir, convert of S of 4. That's all. Sir, finally, what is your result? Printf percentage d comma. Have you observed? This value is there. Sir, how to calculate this? This value into 60 we have to take. That's why, sir, n1 into 60 plus n2 as usual we are printing. Sir, all these lines are having single line code. That's why I am removing these bloody brackets. Okay. So that what will happen? Our instructions will become very easy, sir. Now let me run the code. Whether it is working or not, I need to cross check. So there may be some errors. What is that error? Sir, N1 is undeclared. Sorry, sir. I didn't declared N1 comma N2. Now let me run the code. So all the test cases are satisfied. Sir, this is nothing but how to implement in C language. Sir, once if you know in C, sir, Java and Python, we have predefined support is there. Could you please confirm any doubts up to this? Yeah, I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? Clear, right? Yes. Sir, let me go for Java implementation. Sir, I want to solve this problem by using Java. Sir, let me see how you can able to implement in Java, sir. Okay. Sir, in Java, we can have, sir, predefined support will be there. Scanner obj is equal to, sir, new scanner I am taking with system.in. Okay, sir, string s is equal to obj dot next line. Sir, I am reading the string. So how you can able to convert? Very simple. Let it be n1 and then n2 as per our requirement. Sir, n1 is equal to, sir, what we have to do? Again, we need to check the primary conditions. Okay, again we need to check the primary conditions, or else, sir, directly we can convert. So two facilities are there. Let us see, sir, how you can able to work with that, and we will solve, sir. 1 minute, sir, please wait. Yeah, sir, sorry, one small emergency work. Sir, let me see how you can able to solve this problem. Sir, I accepted the string, sir. In this string, total how many characters will be there? Sir, xy colon, or sir, ab colon, sir, cd, like this will be there. Now we will compute one by one. So what is our first criteria? If s dot, sir, char at of 0th location. Sir, if the character at 0th location is 0, okay, sir, we have to perform some activity. We will perform later. Otherwise, sir, n1 is equal to some other activity we have to perform. So this is okay, sir. Sir, if s dot char at of 0th location, okay, first, second, third, sir, if character at third location is 0, sir, then we need to perform n2 is equal to some calculation. Sir, else n2 is equal to some calculation. You know very well about this. So whatever logic we have taken in C language. Sir, now, so do you know what we can able to do here is, sir, n1 is equal to, I think directly also we can able to solve. Uh, Okay, we will see that as a second version, sir. Okay. Okay, no problem. Even if time exceeded, no problem. Sir, n1 is equal to, sir, how to get a ASCII value? How to get ASCII value? Sir, integer data, there is one special function is there called value of. Okay, sir, which will take s of, okay, s dot char at of which location we have to provide? Sir, char at of first location. Sir, the character which is located at first location, I am capturing and I want to convert that character into original content, sir, which is nothing but integer. So it will convert the given character into integer, but at this time you have to take minus 48. Then only it will convert, sir. Fine. Sir, otherwise, what will happen? The same activity, sir, we have to do two times. The same activity we have to do two times. Sir, what is the first time? Integer dot value of s dot character at 0th location minus 48 into 10 plus integer dot value of s dot character at first location, sir, minus 48. Like this, if you take, what will happen? We are going to get n1 value. Sir, how to get n2? Just the values are going to be changed. I mean, index locations are going to be changed, but the formula is the same. Sir, n2 is equal to integer dot value of 0th location, first location, second location, third location. 0 means fourth location. Sir, here also, so n2 is equal to, n2 is equal to, sir, s dot char at of third location, and then here we have to take fourth location. That's all. The logic completed. So what is your requirement now? Finally, sir, system dot out dot println of sir, n1 into 60 plus n2 we have to take. Let me run the code. Let me submit the code. Like this we have. So this is nothing but what we have about Java implementation. Sir, let me go for Python implementation of this. Sir, Java second version also we can do. Okay, let me try, sir. Those who are interested, please listen. Remaining people, you can skip this. Maybe even I too don't know whether it is going to work or not. Just I got the logic. That's why I'm trying. Okay. If s dot, sir, char at of 0th location is double equal to, sir, 0. Okay, then, sir, n1 is equal to, n1 will be there anyway, n1 comma n2. Sir, n1 is equal to, I am taking like this, integer. Okay, integer, integer dot sir, parse int of s dot substring of, I am taking the substring. So if you can able to see here, suppose if I am giving 0 to colon 0 0, so it is there in 0th location, first location, second location, third, and then fourth location. Sir, if the first digit is 0, you can convert directly this into integer. But the problem is in Java, if any number is prefixed with 0, then it is octal number. That is the problem which we have. In Python, directly we can multiply this because it will treat it as 0 2 only. Okay, because in Python, 0 wo indicates octal number. Okay, that's why, sir, I want to get only this string, substring 1 comma 1. So I am taking that method, sir, 1 comma 1. Okay, sir, fine. Else what will happen? N1 is equal to, sir, integer dot parse int. If it is not integer, sir, yes, you can take substring of 0 comma 2. So what will happen? Starting from 0th location 2, so 2 means one element before it is going to stop. Okay, let me try, sir, whether it will work or not. Even I too don't know. We will check. Sir, same logic, right? If s dot char at of 0 1 2 3 third location, then I am going to take, sir, fourth location here. Otherwise, sir, from third location to so 0 1 2 3 4 comma 4, and here we have to take 0 1 2 3 third location to fourth location. If you want, you have to take 5. Okay, Then what is your requirement now? Sir, you have to multiply system dot out dot println of sir, I can take n1 into 60 plus n2. Let me try whether it will work or not. By using split function, yeah, we can reduce. Raghavendra, correct. Raghavendra, by using split function we can reduce. Yeah, very good, excellent, really. So you can take like this: string s is equal to sir obj dot next line of dot split of based on colon. You can split, so that what will happen, we will get only two elements, s of 0 and then s of 1. I think majority of the problem is going to be solved. Substring is also not required, directly we can take. In this case we can take, but first one we have to write, sir. Okay, okay, no issues. We will try this one, sir. Okay, yeah, have you observed how many versions we are getting? So many versions we are getting. Variable n2 might not have been initialized, sorry. This program is killing time. Variable n2, here it is n1 only. So number format exception, input string empty. So for 2-digit number it is working properly. For single digit number we are getting problem. S dot char at of 0 means, sir, it is taking substring 1 comma 1. I think here substring may be the problem. Sir, I can take char at of, no, it will work. So s dot substring of, sir, I need only single character, not 0th location. First location comma, maybe we will try for 2. Here also 0 1 2. Sir, 3 is 0 means, so 4 comma 5 we will try, sir. Else part without if line number 12. Have you observed it is working? So like this, please think, sir, think and then try to do implementation of these programs. Okay, and sorry for killing the time. Sir, coming to Python, how you can able to solve this problem in Python, sir? Direct approach is there. S is equal to, sir, I am taking input dot split based on colon. Sir, divide that into list. Okay, sir, we will have two elements. What is that first element? Sir, int of l of 0. Okay, sir, into 60 plus sir, int of l of 1. That's all. Direct attack you can do. These many conditions are not required. So even in Java also we can take like that. Have you observed? In Java also directly we can take, but the problem is because of that octal constants, the problem came. If octal concept is not implemented in that approach, yes, we can simplify the code also. Yes, could you please confirm, sir? Any doubts on this problem, sir? Please confirm, sir. I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? Yeah, thank you. So let me go for the next one. Okay, what is the next problem that we have here is, sir, LBP number 49. What is this problem, sir? Next prime. Observe carefully. Sir, if you think logically, it is very easy. Given an integer, sir, we have to create a function that returns next prime number. If the number itself is a prime, return the same number. Okay, sir, we have to return the next prime number, sir. Observe carefully how you can able to solve this problem. First, we will see some test cases, sir. If you observe here, if input is 12, 12 is not a prime number. So next number is 13. Is 13 is prime? Yes, we have to print. Suppose if it is not prime, we have to go for next number. We have to go for next number. We have to go for next number. Sir, till prime number you are getting, you need to repeat the process. Okay. Sir, hope the concept is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts in the explanation, sir? If it is clear, I will go with implementation, friends. Please confirm, is it clear? Yes, sir. Now I want to go for C language implementation of this problem. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in C language, sir? Observe carefully. I'm going to take like this. First, I will write the function called is prime. Is prime. Integer n I am taking. So integer number of factors is equal to 0. I loop. Sir, for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Sir, if n percentage I is equal to 0, then factors plus plus. Finally, so return f double equal to 2. Sir, my prime function is ready. Now you have to write the job. Sir, read the value of n. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. Sir, we don't know how many times we have to read. We have to write. That's why I have taken while 1. While 1 means what? Infinite times it is going to work, sir. Infinite times it is going to run. For every input, it is going to run. Okay. Sir, please, I request everyone to please be on mute. Someone is unmute. I request everyone to please be on mute. Yes. Sir, this is the logic. And we need to check array if is prime of n. N is a prime number or not. If it is a prime, print that number percentage d comma n and then break. Sir, if it is not prime number, n plus plus. Take the next number. Check again is it a prime. If it is a prime, print. Otherwise, take next number. If it is a prime, it will print that number and it will terminate the loop so that while loop will exit. How beautiful, right? Programming. See, based on our comfortable zone, we can frame the instructions. Sir, whether you are learning or not, sir, I am learning a lot. Okay, let me go for Java implementation. Let me go for Java implementation. Okay, let us see how it will be. Sir, scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of sir system.in. Okay, now, sir, I am going to read the data from the user. Integer n is equal to obj dot next int. And the same here also. But integer values we should not take because our Java provides support for Boolean. So if is prime of n, then sir SOP system dot out dot println of we have to print the value of n and then break. Else n plus plus, not else sir, while loop only. But where is the is prime function? Static integer, sorry, not integer sir, boolean sir, is prime integer n I am taking. Okay, integer n I am taking. So integer number of factors is equal to 0 and then I. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. If number percentage I is equal to 0, then factors plus plus. Okay, and finally return f double equal to 2. That's all. Let me run the code. Sorry, somewhere I have put f double equal to 0. Sorry, sir. Let me run the code. Yes, sir, two test cases are satisfied. Let me submit the code for final approval. Sir, all the test cases are clear. Now I need to go for Python implementation. I have to go for Python implementation. Let me check how you can able to implement in Python. Same problem statement, I am taking Python. Sir, first I will define is prime function. So factors is equal to initially 0 for each I in the range of 1 to n plus 1. So if n percentage I is equal to 0, then f is equal to f plus 1. Finally, return if f is double equal to 2. Right? Sir, n is equal to int of input. Sir, here also while loop is there, but we have to take true T capital letter. So if is prime of n, then sir print the value of n and then break sir. Else, sir n is equal to n plus 1. We don't have any increment operator in Python. In the very first program itself, I explained, right? And submit the code. I hope you can able to see, sir, all the remaining test cases are satisfied or not. Yes, sir. This is nothing but how you can able to solve this problem. Sir, hope it is very clear for you people. Could you please confirm, do you have any doubts in this challenge, sir? Please confirm. Clear, right? So let me go for the next problem. Okay, sir, sum of digits between two numbers. Okay, we have to find out sum of digits between two numbers. Sir, create a function that sums the total number of digits between two numbers inclusive. For example, if the numbers are 19 and 22, 19, 1 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 2 plus 0, 21, 2 plus 1, 22, 2 plus 2, total 19 we have to get. I think the logic is clear. One is sum of numbers program is there in this, and internally digits sum is also there. Okay, I hope no need to explain because they have given the example also. Sir, if it is clear, I will go with the C language implementation. Sir, please confirm, is it clear for you people? Is the logic is clear? So that I can go for implementation of this program. Please confirm, friends. Yes. Now, let me take C language, sir. Sir, first I will divide the code into, sir, sum of digits function, which will take integer n. So integer sum is equal to initially 0. Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, sum is equal to sum plus n percentage 10. And n is equal to n by 10. It is keep on calculating all the digits sum and it is going to return that sum. Sir, my sum of digits function is ready. So what they have asked, you need to read two numbers from the user. Okay, sir, integer n1 comma n2 comma, sir, sum is equal to 0 I. So I'm reading the data, scanf percentage d comma ampersand n1 comma ampersand n2. So for I is equal to n1, I less than or equal to n2, sir, you have to include both the values. And sum is equal to sum plus, sir, sum of digits of which value we are passing here, I value. So what will happen if I is equal to 19, it is sending 19 to sum of digits, which will receive that 19, it will add sum of all the digits and it is returning the sum. That sum I am capturing. So finally our target is nothing but we have to print the S value or not, sir? Yes. All the test cases are successful. And let us submit the code for final approval. Perfect, sir. So this is nothing but C language implementation. And I want to go for Java implementation. Let us see, sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java. Concept is the same, sir, right? Concept is the same. So scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in I am taking. Okay. Then, sir, integer n1 is equal to obj dot next int, comma n2 is equal to obj dot next int, sir, comma I, comma, so sum is equal to 0. So for I is equal to n1, I less than or equal to n2, sir, I plus plus I am taking. Sum is equal to sum plus, sir, sum of digits function I am taking, which I am passing I value. Sir, finally, system dot out dot println of yes. Sir, where is that sum of digits function? Static integer. Sir, sum of digits is nothing but integer n. So integer sum is equal to initially 0. Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, sum is equal to sum plus n percentage 10. Then n is equal to n by 10. That's all. Finally, we have to return the value of sum. Is it going to work or not? Yes, definitely. And submit the code. All the test cases are satisfied. Now I need to provide the solution in Python. Let me go for Python implementation and let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Python. Okay, sir, I am taking n1 is equal to int of input, sir, n2 is equal to int of input. Okay, so what is our requirement now? Sum is equal to initially 0 for I in range of n1 comma n2 plus 1 I am taking. So sum is equal to sum plus, sir, again I am applying sum by taking a list, sir, for each element. Okay, so int of I for each element I, sir, in, otherwise I will take one more variable, sir, for each int of j, for each j value in, sir, str of I. Observe carefully, sir. I am converting the given integer value I into string. From that, I am fetching the characters one by one. Again, I am converting into integer, so that what will happen? I will get a list. Sir, we have some function is there, right? Directly I applied whatever result you are getting, which is nothing but sum of digits present in I added to sum. That's all. Finally, sir, we have to print the value of sum. Sir, nothing is there other than this. Okay, have you observed? All the test cases are passed. And let us submit the code for final approval. Yes. So all these things are clear. Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts in this challenge? Yeah, Durga, some person is asking doubt, sir, when we will get recorded videos. Already recorded videos are shared, sir. Only yesterday's class and today's class are pending. I will share today. Remaining videos are already there. 49th C program. 49th C program. Yeah, what is there here? So I implemented is prime function. Sir, do you have any doubt in is prime function? Please confirm. Sivachandu, do you have any doubts in is prime? Yeah. Then coming to this, sir, I am reading a number from the user. Assume the number is a 10. Okay. Sir, while 1, keep on, I will execute. If is 10 is a prime, print that number. Okay, then break, because we got the output, right? So if it is not prime number, n plus plus, go to the next number, again check whether it is a prime. If it is not, n plus plus, again run, again check, again run, like this. If it is a luckily prime number, then we have to print that number and terminate. This is very very important, sir. Because of this only we are getting output. Otherwise we will get all the prime numbers after the given number. Clear, Siva? Yes. Sir, thank you. That's all about today's session. Sir, the next class will be on Monday, sir. Okay. Sir, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we don't have any session. And definitely, I will upload all the running notes and videos, because I have some full function work is there in the last week, I mean yesterday and today. So just I got free now. Today I will upload all these videos. Okay. Yeah, thank you. We will meet for the continuation on Monday evening as usual at 8:30, sir. Thank you guys.